In Novo Nordisk, following industry standards, the finance organization operates based on a model of 6 distinctive global processes. The efforts of the employees working in the purchase to pay, order to cash, record to report, tax, treasury and financial planning and analysis processes worldwide ensure the efficient operation of the global finance organization. But what are these processes exactly, and what are the connections between each of them? Consider this illustrative example. Before we sell our products, they need to be manufactured by product supply. This requires purchase of raw materials and purchase of all other activities that makes Novo Nordisk able to sell products. These operating expenses and all other supplier charges need to be processed and is referred to as the purchase-to-pay process. The purchase-to-pay process connects the procurement and entire supply chain processes within a company by ensuring purchase orders are correctly entered in our journals, and after the goods or service has been received, we make sure the payment is correctly issued to the vendor. Selling an item does not immediately result in cash for the parent company. First, the orders must be received and processed. Order to cash, however, also includes processing payments due from customers. In other words, accounts receivable. In addition, the process deals with the evaluation of customer credit, the processing of necessary adjustments and deductions involved in the sale of the item, shipment handling, and collection of accounts receivable. Every purchase, product sale and customer payment must be recorded in the financial system. Record to report covers the process from a transaction being recorded, leading to a month-end close, followed by consolidation of global financial data and finally external financial reporting in the form of quarterly announcements and annual reports. To support the process, we design group accounting policies to maintain global IFRS compliance. Further, to secure accurate financial reporting, the global record-to-report process also includes scoping and designing of effective internal controls, including upholding compliance with the American regulation known as the Sarbanes-Oxley Act. The sale of a product and purchase of raw materials and services has tax implications for Novo Nordisk, depending on the country in which the sales and cost materialize. Thus, besides assessing the tax impact of large-scale, strategic projects such as the acquisition or disposal of intangible assets, the global tax process drives handling of the organization's tax liabilities in line with specific local tax legislations. Suppose that the product is sold in a different currency than Danish kroner. If the item is sold to a pharmacy in the United States, the sale poses a foreign exchange risk to the parent company. Therefore, aside from managing the balance sheet and investments made by the company, the global treasury process is responsible for Novo Nordisk's financial risk management. In addition, Treasury maintains an in-house bank and offers extensive cash management services, thereby ensuring that Novo Nordisk always has sufficient liquid instruments at its disposal to meet its financial obligations. In the end, the data associated with the sold item, including its production, delivery, marketing, and sales costs, as well as profits stemming sales, are consolidated and analyzed for management reporting purposes in FP&A. Together with line of business, they use this data to help drive resource allocation of available funds to meet future strategic and current financial goals. Hence, besides driving the monthly and quarterly reporting processes, FP&A also owns the budgeting process and is tasked with follow-up on achievement of financial targets and timelines. As you can see, these processes together form Novo Nordisk's finance service delivery model. We hope this illustrative example has helped you gain an overview and better understanding of the financial processes and the global finance organization. Please reach out to the local functions if you would like to know more about the specific processes.